Welcome to our comprehensive guide to personal finance. In this video, we'll delve into the essential pillars of financial success: budgeting, saving, and managing debt. Join us as we explore practical strategies to take control of your finances and build a solid foundation for the future. To kickstart our journey towards financial well-being, let's begin with the foundation of personal finance: budgeting. Budgeting is the process of creating a plan for your income and expenses. It helps you understand where your money is going, make informed financial decisions, and work towards your financial goals. Building an effective budget starts with tracking your expenses and understanding your spending patterns. Let's explore practical tips for creating a budget that works for you. Budgeting is about setting priorities and making intentional choices with your money. It's essential to allocate funds for necessities, savings, and even discretionary spending in a way that aligns with your financial goals. Saving money is a crucial aspect of personal finance. It provides a safety net during unexpected situations and enables you to work towards future goals. Let's discover effective saving strategies and the significance of an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses can provide peace of mind and protect you from financial crises. It's important to prioritize saving and make it a regular habit. There are various saving and investment options available, each with its own risk and return profile. Let's explore popular choices such as savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDs, and investment vehicles like stocks and mutual funds. Saving accounts and CDs provide security and easy access to funds, while investments like stocks and mutual funds offer potential growth over the long term. It's important to diversify your savings and investments based on your goals and risk tolerance. Managing debt is another critical aspect of personal finance. Let's uncover strategies for responsible borrowing, reducing debt, and improving credit scores. Managing debt starts with understanding your financial obligations and creating a plan to pay off high-interest debt first. It's essential to maintain good credit habits and avoid excessive borrowing to maintain a healthy financial outlook. If you find yourself burdened with significant debt, there are strategies you can employ to reduce it effectively. Let's explore debt repayment methods, debt consolidation, and negotiating with creditors. By adopting a debt repayment plan, consolidating high-interest debt, and negotiating with creditors, you can take control of your debt and work towards becoming debt-free. It's crucial to seek professional guidance if needed. Taking charge of your personal finances is a journey that requires commitment and discipline. By implementing effective budgeting, saving, and debt management strategies, you can build a solid financial foundation and achieve your goals. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive exploration of personal finance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable content.